So the healthcare pathway that we offer here at Richmond Hill High School is really, really awesome, just in the fact that with any healthcare pathway, you don't have to want to be in healthcare in order, in my opinion, to start taking the class. Just because anybody needs to know the basics of healthcare. So the Intro to Healthcare class is going to be our first class that we offer, and it will provide you really with just basic knowledge. It provides you with information with safety in the workplace, which everybody needs to know. We talk about fire safety. We learn how to use fire extinguishers. We learn CPR and first aid. So it's really cool, and American Heart Association says that everybody should know how to do first aid and CPR, at least to the basics, because who knows who you may save. And you don't have to be a nurse or a doctor in order to do that, and you could change somebody's life. That would be our intro class, and then that is the foundational class for all of our other classes. So if you decide that you like healthcare, which we hope you do, even if you came into the class and you didn't like it, hopefully you fell in love with it. And then you can take our Essentials of Healthcare class. And Essentials of Healthcare is everything about you, everything about your body. We talk about every system in the body specifically, and we talk about pathophysiology with certain diseases, and it's really awesome. It's really, really awesome to see somebody who may have had a disease run in their family, or they suffer from something specifically, or maybe their grandparents had something, and to see them understand the body system and then to, you know, just kind of put things together with it about that disease is really cool. And I think a lot of people, even if they're not interested in medicine, would enjoy doing that. And I think those two classes is what makes the healthcare pathway very unique, because you don't have to want to be in the healthcare field in order to really enjoy and love those classes. And the Essentials of Healthcare class also counts as a fourth science, so you get 2 credits for 1 class. So that's really awesome. The pathway could actually set you up for a multitude of careers. So we're very blessed that we have 3 RNs that work with Richmond Hill High School, and we all teach different 3rd level classes. So you could take Allied Health, which would prepare you for any healthcare career in like maybe the hospital or a clinic. If you want to take emergency medical responder, you could become a certified emergency medical responder if you pass that in a pathway. If you wanted to work something in public health, if you wanted to work with the public, and you know, if you're interested in air quality and water quality and infectious disease, public health is a class that we offer that you could take, and it would prepare you. We have a sports medicine class that would prepare you for anything that you wanted to take with sports medicine. It's very specific on sports, so a lot of our students love that because we have such an awesome sports program here at Richmond Hill. So, and then we also have an exercise physiology class, which I think is the best. I really love it, and I also teach it. But you can become a certified personal trainer through NASM if you pass the pathway with that. So I think that's awesome. But so, if you end up deciding to go to a 3rd level, you have so many choices, and because it's healthcare and it's forever changing, you know, we assess what the students want and are interested in, and we can add and delete classes, you know, as the students and as the community sees that it would be beneficial.